Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add and remove currency symbol in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data in my Microsoft Excel and I'm going to add currency symbol to this price column. First of all, I'm just going to select my column like this and we can go to the number format right here, and then you can select the currency just like this. And wait, I'm just going to select more currencies format. We can click on this option and here you will be able to select the symbol that you want to apply to your table. And for instance, I'm just going to select the dollar sign. Okay, just like this. And if you want to remove it, the steps is very simple. You just need to select the column like this, go to the number format, and then select general. Or you can also select number, and it's up to you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add and remove currency symbol in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.